I want to talk to you about the rising cost of healthcare right now. And it's literally draining Americans every single month. And that's the healthcare insurance premiums are rising ridiculously. Deductibles are higher than ever. Prescriptions are costing more. Copays are costing more. Um, Out of pockets, all of that. And so even people with insurance are actually skipping care because they simply can't afford it. And that's just unheard of. So the real impact, here's the deal. Healthcare just isn't a medical issue anymore. It's actually an economic one. And so families are going to choose between doctor visits versus groceries. Small business owners are going to cut benefits just to stay afloat. And employees are working through pain, fatigue, burnout because taking time off is just too expensive. So they're going to pay for taking time off by not getting paid. They're going to pay at the doctor's office for getting seen. So when health suffers, productivity is going to drop. And when productivity drops, incomes drop. And that's for the employee and the employer, right? So suddenly the cost of being sick has become far greater than the cost of care itself. So the truth is, waiting until something actually breaks is a really expensive option. So what do I mean by that? Talk through like your car, right? You get your car oil changes, hopefully, right? So you get an oil change every however many thousand, 30 to 5,000 miles, whatever it looks like. Bottom line is, if you decide to stop getting oil changes and the oil burns down to nothing, you're going to buy a new engine. Same difference with your health, exactly the same. So, preventative, proactive health isn't a luxury. It actually needs to happen. It's a financial strategy too. And how people actually protect their energy, their income, and their future, this is the way to do it. So, the question isn't, can you afford to invest in your health? The question is, can you afford not to? Can you afford to keep getting maybe bad advice on your healthcare? So, what I'm here to share is that we're a wellness solutions provider. We help individuals um, not only get well, but actually show them a better benefit or comprehensive benefit for 30 to 50% less. But guess what? Employers, we do the same for you. We can actually show you a comprehensive benefit for your team at 30 to 50% less than what you're looking at today. So if that's something of interest to you, reach back out to us. If you're an employee, reach out to accesscompletewellness.com. If you're an employer, reach out to accesscorporatewellness.com. And we'll show you how you can support your team at little cost to you, depending on how you want to participate. But also, we can give you all access to corporate wellness programs that really help you get well. And in most instances, we can show you, the employer, how to help pay for it. So you have yourself a great rest of the day, and be sure to check in accesscorporatewellness.com, accesscompletewellness.com to learn more about how we can help.